So there are various retail digital platforms that are offered by international banks and various companies that participate in the foreign exchange market. So these companies offer infrastructures for us to participate in the foreign exchange market. For example, we have the MetaCodes, which offer the MetaTrader 5 and the MetaTrader 4. And as retail traders, we want to trade in a digital platform that offers fast execution, user-friendly interface in order for us to clearly navigate through the platform and get easy access to real-time market data. The market prices should be prompt and real-time. And on the part of fast execution, we want for a trading platform that takes our orders, even the aggregated orders, and execute them very fast. So we have MetaTrader 4. It is commonly used in the Forex market. Most retail traders use the MT4. Great for beginners, great for pro traders. It supports custom indicators. So the MT4 platform comes with the inbuilt indicators, training indicators that help a trader navigate and do analysis. So we, with the MT4 platform, we can also install our own custom indicators that relate to our own strategy. For example, Forex SPV, we have our own custom indicators, we have our own custom templates. So we can also, it supports EAs, the expert advisors. Here we are talking of trading bots. And it also has a mobile trading app. So the MT4 also has a mobile trading app. And most brokers use MT4 as a trading platform for their clients. So it is widely used. And we also have the MetaTrader 5, which is simply an advanced version of MT4 with more features. It is also offered by MetaCodes, and most brokers use the MT5. And with the MT5, we have more advanced features in terms of execution of trades, closing of trades. It has more time frames, it has more order types, and you can get access to other asset classes that are not available in the MT4. It is ideal for multi-asset traders. So with MT5, we also have a mobile app with MT5. So MT5 mobile app is also available, and it is more advanced than the MT4, more easy to use, more easy to navigate, and fast execution is there as the MT4 is. We also have another common trading platform called TradingView. It's web-based chatting platform. It's very great for technical analysis, especially those who want to only see a clean chart. So the price action traders, it is very great also for backtesting. It has the features to backtest and even to publish your trade ideas. And allows integration with some of our brokers for live trading. So we also have the TradingView. Now, in the next session, we are going to look onto MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and TradingView a bit before we go into the technical analysis. So with these platforms, a trader can actually analyze and execute trades with precision from anywhere in the world using your phone or using your PC. They can be installed in Windows, MacBook, and even your phone.